Sell for Shelter has two main objectives. The first one is to promote upcycling and encourage people to be more ethical and conscious with their shopping. With so much going unwanted and sent to landfill, we're here to try and reduce that waste. Secondly, we're trying to promote our amazing shelter charity shops. There are so many unwanted, pre-loved treasures here that are just waiting to be taken home. We've teamed up with Rust-Oleum and challenged them to come to our Sunderland charity shop, take away a bit of furniture and upcycle it. All proceeds will be going to us. We're here so that everybody has a safe place to call home.